Hi everyone, this is episode number 2 of the SculptCrete challenge. In this video I'm trying my hand at a dragon eye. I think they're pretty cool and it'll be a great study for a future project that I have in mind. I'll be using SculptCrete Ultra Smooth as it takes on great detail, and if you notice it's the project that I put on the packaging. I printed off some reference photos to help me with fine details. I purchased this glass eye online. Now to get started I am using a picture for size reference. I coated it in tape and then cut off the excess. Mix up a small batch of Ultra Smooth and knead it in the plastic bag. Then press it onto the reference paper to get the general shape. I then press in the glass eye. Now take note here that the glass eye may have a paper backing. If it does, you will need to seal it with some nail polish or another type of clear coat, or the water in the clay will ruin the eye. At this point you can start shaping the Ultra Smooth around the eye. Once the eyelids are looking good, you can start adding texture. At this point, I'm going to let it harden for a couple hours. After it sets up, make another small batch of Ultra Smooth and make a coil. You can start adding in the fine detail. To add additional layers, first wet the piece with a spray bottle or a paintbrush. Using sculpting tools, I can blend the new clay into the piece and start forming the detail and smoothing it with water and a brush. I keep adding details and letting it set when I want to preserve those details. I make small batches of Ultra Smooth and continue to build in layers. Wetting the area first helps it to adhere better. Now I'm not a professional artist, but I enjoy creating things, and SculptCrete allows me to do this easily. Because I don't need a kiln to harden it or a large studio to create cool things, I can literally do this at my kitchen table. And listen, if I can do it, so can you. After I feel like I've finished the fine details, and I like the way that it looks, I let it harden for a day or two before I paint. Now we can start painting. Start with a coat of black as a base coat. Don't worry if you get paint on the eyeball, as it can be scraped off later. I use craft paint. It's super cheap and easy to use. I am using a few shades of brown and yellow ochre. At this point I'm just guessing what colors are going to work good and painting until I'm happy with it. If a color doesn't work, you can just paint over it with another color. And that's about all there is to it. Now please subscribe and hit the bell notification. I have a lot more videos coming.